As down the glen on Easter morn to a city fair rode I. There are many lines of marching men in squadrons passed me by. No pipe that hum, no battle drum, did sound its brave tattoo. But the angelus bell or the leafy swell rang out in the foggy dew. Right proudly higher down in town, and lay on the flag of war. 'Twas better to die beneath an Irish sky than at Suvla or Sudelbar. And from the plains of royal Meath, strong men come hurrying through, while Britannia's hunts with the long range guns sailing through the foggy dew.
Oh, the night fell black and the rifles cracked, made perfidious Albion brave. With the leaden rain, 7 tongues of flame did shine o'er the line of field. By each shining blade a prayer was said, let to Ireland her sons be true. And when morning broke, still the war flag shook out its fold in the foggy dew. 'Twas England with our wild geese spoke, that small nations might be free. But their lonely graves are by Scotia's waves, or the shores of the grey North Sea. Oh, had they died by Pearse's side, or had fought with Cahal-Brugh, their names we'd keep where the Fenians sleep, 'neath the shroud of the foggy dew. But the